Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game is updated. Outdated clients hide new content. Open the world map and turn on event notifications, then set filters to show shops and special events only. Once done, position your character near recent spawn zones, market districts, festival plazas, because proximity triggers shop listings faster. Make sure you carry at least 1,000 coins and a trade token. Many event shops require immediate purchase or reservation. This step gets you into the active discovery state quickly and reliably. You now perform a focus scan. Move in a 100-meter grid across likely zones so you never miss a corner. When you see NPC crowds or temporary stalls, interact immediately. Use dialogue shortcuts to speed up checks and inspect any vendor menus. Once a potential event shop appears, record its coordinates, exact spawn time, and the current item list so you can return or share with teammates. This methodical approach increases detection odds and builds a quick reference for repeat visits. You finish by claiming items fast. Event shops often sell limited stock, so purchase or reserve immediately and move extras to a shared stash if you're full. If you return and the shop is gone, clear your local cache, zone out and back in, and verify the event timer. Many spawn windows are short. If nothing appears after retries, take a screenshot and file a bug report including server, time, and character name so developers can trace spawn issues and restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.